What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got an absolute massive laundry list of leaks about the Galaxy S24 series. A lot of AI leaks in this for the cameras and features overall. Some of the stuff we've heard, some stuff goes further into detail, and some stuff is exclusive to what we're hearing today. So we have this probably be the first time you've heard a few of these things. So without further ado, let's get to this laundry list of stuff. It's honestly, if you're not excited and looking forward to this, you're insane. So let's get to it. This is coming from Bennett. Bennett's One UI 6.1 features for the S24 series. S24 series will be so powerful, offering many new AI features, and some are exclusive. Some of these AI features include AI processing for videos. This processing will improve low light performance, reduce graininess, improve stability, exposure, and more. Now, this sounds like boosted video for the Pixel phones, which I should have a video out on this soon. But they just released this feature recently, and it looks like it's also coming to the Galaxy S24 for better low light performance in video, better quality of video, and stabilization. Erase objects from videos. This is actually really cool. By simply selecting an object or subject in a video, AI will then process an entire video to erase the selected subject as best as possible. Now, that is just, it's crazy. You can do it with photos, but let's see it do it with a video. I'm curious to see how it does it with that, but that's, again, just amazing stuff that is coming out of this to be able to erase someone from a video. Expand the borders of photos. Using AI, the device will be able to take an existing photo and recreate more of it. Now, Pixel can do this as well, so it seems like Galaxy's getting a lot of the Pixel features, but I'm all for that. Pixel has some really cool exclusive features currently. Exclusive on-device AI chatbot. This chatbot will be able to do simple tasks such as simple questions, equations, etc. Not certain as to if it will be available at launch, but it looks like we're getting an AI chatbot that we can ask questions to and get answers. We'll see how that one rolls out. Take important information from calls. After a call, AI will process everything mentioned and will recommend certain actions such as putting things on your calendar, to-do list, or something else that was mentioned in a call. Come on, guys. This is next gen stuff. I can't wait for this stuff. Organize messy notes and chunks of text in Samsung Notes by a simple press of a button. Messy notes and chunks of text into organized notes with bullet points and more formal formatting. I love that because I'm not the best at keeping notes, but the only problem is I don't really use Samsung Notes. I use Google Keep. AI generated wallpapers. Generative AI wallpapers have been borrowed from Google and redesigned in Samsung's UI, although lacking Samsung's animations, it is still a very good creator. So you'll be able to create your own generated wallpapers with AI. Live translate during calls. Translate calls in real time to soften to strong language barrier between people of other languages. This is going to be great to use. Other features, improvements, weather and portrait effects for lock screen and home screen. Express yourself and better and have a more stylish lock home screen. I'm all for that. Enhanced battery protection feature allows for multiple stages of protection that balance the sacrifice of battery and convenience over varying degrees of protection. I believe this will go down to as low as 80% and then all the way up, and then 5% increments all the way up to 95% to protect your battery. And more to see in a Galaxy Impact. Are you ready to experience this amazing, guys? Again, this is the kind of stuff we're going to be getting very, very shortly, and I love technology. I mean, the reason I tend to go back to Samsung is the software, and this is just cool software stuff. I love it. How couldn't you? You know, even if they don't change the phone all that much physically, change it software-wise. Give us some new features, and they're doing it this year. So very excited about it. Which out of these features excites you the most and why? Let us know in the comments down below. Let me take a quick look. Mine would probably be, I'm just excited to remove people from videos. Not that I would probably do it all that much, but it'd be interesting to try it. Thanks so much. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.